Bonjour, this is Piper Blush, and I'm going to show you how to get out of a highway knot. Because maybe you're going on a highway to hell. That can happen to everybody, to be tied up, you know. Now, the highway knot is one of the easiest knots to get out of. Okay, of course you need the person to tie you to actually do that knot. How are you going to figure this out? It's super easy. See this knot? It has a little loop there. This loop is not for looking into it. No. It's actually a quick release. Now, if you do shibari or anything like that, you will want these quick releases. I'm not saying this one is the best one, but I'm saying it's definitely one out there. If you do know more special knots, and you want me to test them for you, well, make sure you leave it in the comment section because I have a whole bunch of rope, and many anchor points all over here. It's the greatest bed to actually test your knots. Now, because we have this quick release, well, we just need to find a way to pull on it. But you need the right one. You remember the potato bags? Or maybe, just maybe, you remember the charcoal bags? They have the right way to pull on them. You need to know where to pull or else it locks. And then you're stuck. You don't want that. You don't want to be stuck here all day. You got other stuff to do. So you find it. Not this one. This one here. This is the one. See, it's related to that one. And then, ta-da! It's magic, people! I'm Piper Blush and I'm everywhere. You don't believe me? Just Google me.